Hello, Laban, my old friend. I've come to get the plates again. Remember me, my name is Nephi. You tried to kill me, you're a mean guy. This is the last time, and I'm not going to ask you nice. You smell like Old Spice. I see you're drunken with wine. Golly, Laban, what a nice sword. Kill him, Nephi, said the Lord. So I, Nephi, picked him up by the hair of the head and sliced him dead. I think I'll wear his clothing. Dressed as Laban, now I'm going, armor girt about my loins, speaking in the voice of Laban. I completely faked out Zoram. I said, Zoram, go and get me the plates of brass and make it fast. Now he is married to Ishmael's daughter.